So in this video, let us see, let us test the simple registration page. Okay, so the same process as we have done earlier. So file, new Java project. So let me give it as REG, the project name, and click on next. And let me add the jars here only. We can add afterwards also. So let me do this here, now only. So finish. So as we can see here, REG has created. Right click, new, the same process as we have done in the last video. So let me give it as register. Let me give it as register. Click on finish. So the template will be generated, and I have the code already. Let me paste it. So the class name is register and the package name is REG. We already know this, what is the class and what is package, what I'll need to change. So let us go through one line by line. So as we know, the execution starts from public static void main. So what is this interrupted exception? Because we are using the threads here. So because of that, we need to throw the exception. So the first line, as we know, the set property, the Chrome driver needs to be test first, and the object driver, and let me use this yahoo.com. So first of all, let me open that login.yahoo.com. so let me create one account first for testing purpose. So what we can see here, so these are text boxes. How many text boxes? 1 2 3 4 5 6, sorry, 6 7. So this is drop down actually. So 7 text boxes. This gender is optional, let me leave that. And then what about the drop down? So let it be the default one, and as we can see here, this is the drop down. So month is the drop down. So let us test how it works. So let me close this. So as we can see here, first of all we need to click, just a second, let me open it again, sorry. So first we need to click on this create an account. So what I have taken, I have taken the ID of that button. So already we know how to take it. So just click on right click on this, right click on the button, and we can take ID, or we can take even name also, no problem. So I think name is not present in this, so that's why I have taken ID. So what is the ID of this? Create ACC. So I have taken create ACC dot click. Why dot click? Because it is a button. So this is button click, and as we can see here, after clicking this, we have text boxes 1 2 3 4 and 5 text boxes. So I have taken 5 text boxes now, 1 2 3 4 and 5 by their name. Okay, so let me pass the name as let us pass computer. Let me pass computer, anything for testing purpose. So what about the last name? Let me take science. The next one is, after that, the next one is I need to pass the email ID. So email ID, let me take it as computer science. Okay, so let me pass the password as anything. So let me pass 0000011, anything, any password. So then the mobile number, this is the mobile number, this is dummy one. Okay, so after this we need to handle this drop down. So these are text boxes, we know how to handle the text boxes. So what about the drop down now? So how to handle that? It is simple. First we need to create the object for the drop down. So what is the idea of that drop down? Username, REG, month. So let us check that. So birth month. So what is the ID? Username reg month. So I have passed it here. Then I need to create one more object for select tag. So as we can see here, there is a select tag because it has a lot of options. See what is drop down means? It has lot of options, so that's why we need to create one more object. So let me take it as date underscore dd. This object name can be anything, as we know that, and I need to pass this date drop down or this web element object to the select one. So the drop down we can select. There are three options to select this drop down. There are three. Why three means? So as we can see here, we can select by this value as or we can select it by this January. What is this January actually? This is visible text. This is visible text. So as we can see here now, select by visible text. Select by visible text means here. So January, February, as we can see, these are visibility. So these are visible. So as you can see here, these are visible text. So that is one option. So one more option is select by value. So what are values? So these are values. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are our values. We can select through that also. Let us execute and see. So next one is select by index. What is select by index? Simple. So as you can see here, birth month. So the birth, we know that the index starts from 0. So birth month means 0, January 1, February 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So that is by index. We can use anything, no problem. So let us execute. And last one, the date, month, sorry, the date and year. The name of the date text box is dd, year is YYYY. So I have passed the year and clicked on sign up button. So let us execute this now. So right click, run as Java application. Okay. So the Chrome browser will open now. Login.yahoo.com opened. So this now clicked on, need to click on create an account. So clicked on create an account, computer, 2 seconds wait, science, 2 seconds wait, computer science at yahoo.com, 2 seconds wait, the password, the mobile number, and it has selected December. Let me tell why it is 21, 1992. So last one is click on continue. Okay, actually it shows error, but we can treat it as a test case. So why this December? This is a problem now. Why this December? Simple. So see here, the select by visible text, the December option is there. So this is a December. So we have passed it as December. So the next one is, let me comment this and uncomment this. Select by value. Select by value I have given as 5. 5 means it needs to be select the May month. So 5 means May. So let us execute, no problem. Let us execute and see. Let us execute. Okay, open the same process. The same process will be done. The create an account and all. So 5 means it need to select. Let us see. Computer science, password, and the same process. Now it needs to select which month? The May. Why May? Because the why May? Because the value of the here, as you can see here, the 5 is the value of this May. So May's value is 5. So one more thing is by index. So remember, if we select the index, we can't use this birth month because the birth month's index is 0. We can't use 0. So index starts from 0. The birth month 0, January 1, February, March, April, May, like that. So let us use the index 0, 1, 2. Let us use 2. So what is 2 now? Let me comment this and I will uncomment this. Let me use 2. 2. So let us execute. 2 means which month it needs to take? It needs to take February. So let us see what happens. So same process, the same process. create account. So let us see now the nice Java application. So browser opened. So let us see the same process. So create an account, computer science, 2 seconds wait, and the same process, but the month should be February. Month needs to be selected, so February will be selected. So based on the index. So click on continue. Okay, so this is how we can test the drop down, and we have seen the simple registration page for testing purpose. In the next video you can see further videos. Thank you.